Hi everybody, hope that you're doing well. Welcome to week 2 of online instruction. I know that there's a lot going on and it's kind of crazy, but hopefully you're doing okay. Just wanted to check in with you and let you know just what's coming up this week. So your persuasive writing starts this week. If you have any questions on that, let me know. We've done bits and pieces of that. A lot of that should sound familiar from speech when you had to do some persuasive writing and things like that. Or, like the debates and the topics and whatnot. So as far as your topic goes, I just want to make sure that you clear that with me probably sometime today or tomorrow, just so I know that you are on the right track. You have to make sure that your topic is something that you want to persuade me on, so I'm your audience. Since we aren't in school, we won't be doing any of the like peer edits and things like that, so I'm your audience. So you want to make sure that you're persuading me on something. So if you know me pretty well, what I like, dislike, things like that. But it could be something I know nothing about. It could be a pretty controversial topic. Whatever you feel confident in doing, feel free. So you want to make sure you get that topic to me by today or tomorrow. And then your outline is due Wednesday. So that's with, what's going on with the writing. Keep me updated on that. Message me whatever questions you have. And if you want specific things in these videos that I'm not giving you, let me know and I can do more. Or give you specifics or do more lecture. I think tomorrow I'm going to start doing more with grammar instruction and things like that. A little more than there were none, which would be good. Yeah, so that's what's writing. Your journal's due on Friday. Your discussion forum, just remember for your discussion forum that your first initial post is due Wednesday, and your 2 replies are due Friday. You guys did a really good job with that this past week. I just graded them all. Great job. Don't feel like you have to be concise. So you can write a little more. So I said 2 paragraphs, but really make those some bulky paragraphs if you want. So that could be good. Making sure that you are taking the time there. And my hope is that you, especially now that we're getting into more of the reading, you can see what your, which characters you're most suspicious of, and that can turn into a fun debate. So hopefully that's going well. And then I just want to talk a little bit about chapters 1 and 2. So at this point, they're just giving you background as to what each person's doing, who they are, what they've done, things like that. So it's definitely interesting to see all of that. And I think too, each person has their own role that they play. So there's 10 people on the island total, including, Mr. and Mrs. Rogers, who are so creepy. And I really loved hearing what you said about Agatha Christie and how she's including suspense in, the first 2 chapters. Everyone's story is a little shady. In chapter 3 and 4, you're going to see even more why it's shady and what happens. There's just a lot there. But really, Agatha Christie is focusing on detail, but like intermittent detail, so it keeps you guessing for sure. And then she also just does a really good job of just setting it up to see. She makes certain people suspicious in certain chapters and vice versa. So it should be fun to see what you all think. And again, we read this to see, 1, to appreciate literature that's just fun to read. This is so fun to read. And 2, to see how other authors use different parts of the literary elements. There's not really a ton of themes in this book, but it's more of how is she using suspense? What other literary elements is she using? So, anyway, I would love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to send me. I really miss hearing everyone's thoughts and perspectives, and so I know you type it, but it's just not the same. So if you want to send me videos of you ranting about things or talking to me about your thoughts on Agatha Christie, I would love to hear that. I didn't make an assignment for it, but would love to just hear what you're thinking about the book so far and things like that. So if you have any questions, again, always let me know. Read 3 and 4 for tomorrow. There will be a quiz posted tomorrow. And then I'll have some more discussion questions. The end of the quarter is Friday, so I'm trying to keep the grades as up to date as possible. So just let me know if you have questions on that, if there's something missing that you think you turned in. I'm going through as much as I can. Your J and Air tests are graded. I'm trying to get them uploaded. Forgive me for the delay. It's just been crazy. So Anyway, you guys are great. Let me know if you have any questions, and I can't wait to tomorrow. I'll probably post some more on, and then we're done. But I just wanted to make sure we're all on the same page, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks, guys.